Well, a day for Wednesday's Child is the day we're focused on how we can all improve the life of a child. Our Britt Moreno hosting the day, and Britt, especially in these uncertain times, this work is just more important than ever.
Yeah, absolutely, Dominic. You know, we're sort of in these uncharted waters all together during the pandemic, and we're just trying to navigate. And it really has affected all these children in foster care and even adoptions. Behind me here is the Heart Gallery, and these are some of the children in Colorado's foster care system who need families. And many of these kids I've actually met and introduced our viewers to. They are looking for families. And I want to give you a few statistics here that are just really shocking. If any one of these kids finds one caring adult, they are 110% more likely to go to college, 200% more likely to get help for depression or other mental health issues, and they'll have 75% higher incomes than those without a caring adult in their lives. This really changes the trajectory of their life. One Colorado family has really gone a long way to give kids permanency. And you'll notice we shot this story before the first case of coronavirus here in Colorado. So you might notice there are no masks and no social distancing, and that's why.
Better not lose.
There is a game going on in one room.
I was 5 turning 6 when I was adopted.
Nick drops in from Idaho on FaceTime, and Ethan is manning the grill, cooking enough burgers and hot dogs for a small army. It's a birthday celebration.
Officially his birthday.
We used to do the individual birthdays, but now like 3 in 2 weeks was like, okay, we're going to consolidate birthdays.
Over 22 years, Les and Cindy have adopted 10 children out of the foster care system.
It's wonderful and chaotic and can be stressful, and it's just, I love my family. I love my family so much.
It's that love that makes this family work.
It's nice being able to know that I have 2 parents that I can just sit down and talk to.
Some of them have had to kind of self-parent for a long time, and we're trying to teach them how to step back and let the parents parent, and they can be the kids. Their
kids range in age from 9 to 31, and adoption is the promise that they'll always be there for every one of them.
You know, it was good. Good experience. I don't know where I would have been if I hadn't.
The rewarding part is, I guess, the end result. When I see the hard places they've come from to where they've grown and what they've become. Happy birthday to you.
When there are birthdays, everyone comes together.
We're a family forever, and you can't put a price on that. Birthday to you. Woo!
And there is a lot of love in that family. A forever family, of course, is priceless. Cindy and Les are in the process of adopting 2 more children. They now have a really full house, and the Adoption Exchange helps families just like Les and Cindy's with all the support they offer, and those families really thrive. These are adoption staff members manning our phone bank today, and they would like to talk to you. Give them a call. The number is 303-755-3975. You can donate that way or ask about adoption. Text ADOPT to 9199, and we also have all the details and a link to donate at our website, cbsdenver.com.
Britt, Les and Cindy are saints. Oh my God.
Can you imagine? That is a lot of kids, isn't it?
Yeah, they are, and those stats you mentioned really put it into perspective just how important people like them are.
It really is. These children need families to help them have success later on.
Britt, thanks so much. We appreciate it.